What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some brand new light bulbs from AUXITO. They reached out to us and sponsored us, sent us these brand new bright white light bulbs. So today what we're going to do is we're going to unbox them. We're going to show you how easy it is to install these, and then we're going to show you some beauties before and after, and you can decide if you want to get some too. I'll have some links down below. Show some love to these guys, and thanks for checking it out. Let's go. Guys, nice little packaging here, and I'm so grateful that they sent us some nice headlights. Very cool looking box. Look at that. I love that. Oh heck yeah. What is that, guys? Is that a little Japanese? Put it in the comment below. Is that Japanese right there? That's sick. All right. Ooh. All right, so we got some instructions. We don't need that where we're going. Look at that. That looks nice. All right. Two little bulbs. Let's go put it in the car. Alright guys, you should probably undo your battery cable, but I don't feel like it's that dangerous. So we're not going to do that. We'll just tear right into it. So here we go. Hey guys, we just got a little screwdriver here so we can undo the clip easily. Take the clip off, and then it just rotates clockwise. And the original one comes out that easily right there. All right, so this mimics that housing, so it's that simple in. So in and then counterclockwise, which is opposite of lefty loosey righty tighty, and then clip it right back in, and it's literally that quick. Ben, how long did that take us?
Maybe 45 seconds.
Maybe 45 seconds. Oh, by the way, guys, I got to introduce you.
Oh, yeah.
To Ben, my new camera guy.
How we doing?
Dude, Ben is an awesome dude I work with at my day job. Great car guy.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so excited to have him on the channel. You guys are going to see more of him.
Thanks, Taternator.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go. All right, let's do the other one. Clip in. Boom. All right, guys. Sweet. Let's go get some beauty shots.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, is it a big difference?
They look cleaner. Yeah, absolutely.
Alright guys, here we are back out here. They look great, more modern look. This is a 1993 and it definitely looks great. Highly recommend. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.